What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys the new wheels I got for the Teggy. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to press the subscribe button and the bell to get notified every single time I upload a new video. It's actually a very sad story on how and why I'm getting these new wheels, or new. So the wheels I got for the Teggy are actually coming from my brother's old car, which is a 1994 Civic, and the devastating truth is that he got in a car accident. It was a pretty sad story. He really loved that car, but if you want to hear the rest of the story, stick to the end and I'll let you know. But for now, let's go and take them wheels from the Civic, put it on the Teggy. One thing I need to get before we get started on that installation is my tool set. So let's go.
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the Civic. Looks pretty bad. Got here from the side. Shake my head. Broke it. Luckily I have a new one, or a spare one. Look at this shit, bro. That nigga wild. He wildin', bro. He went over the curve into the grass. Like, what? He wildin'. You crazy, bro. Alright, let's get back to the video. Ta-da! Magic of YouTube editing. Okay guys, so I'm having a hard time taking off this wheel. Like, it won't come off. Like, look. It doesn't come off. Let's try something though. Let's try something. Let's see if this YouTube magic works. I don't know, man. Let's see if this YouTube magic works. Wow! I didn't think that would work, but shit, it actually worked. Alright guys, so let's see if this YouTube magic works with us again. Yo, what the? Where'd it go? What the? Yo, where did the wheel go, bro? What the? Bro, how does it happen? Bro, what's up with this YouTube magic shit, bro? Bro, I really want to know. Bro, someone tell me what's going on, bro. Alright guys, we're done transferring the wheels. We're just doing one more thing from this car. And well, my car, let me show you. Well, look right here. There's supposed to be a bracket like right here. I don't know if you can see. There's supposed to be a bracket like right here, and it's supposed to connect to a mount over here supporting the transmission. But as you can see, I don't have one, so it moves so much when I press on the gas. And it's just like, come on, man. So what we're gonna try to do is get the one from over here, see if it fits over there, and if it does, well, thank God, because that's fantastic. That would be fantastic. Well, let's try to take this off. Took it off, boys. There's one more bolt in there in the little hole. There's like a 19 millimeter right there, and then it'll just come off. All right, we got this baby out. Took a while, but we got it out. So we're gonna put this on with the new transmission mounts I bought. Or no, I didn't buy them. I got them as a gift for my girl. But we'll put them on, and then that'd be for a different video. But you know, my new whip got new wheels, so let's go give her a paint job. Right? She deserves a paint job. Nah, not right now. But we should go wash her though. At least I'm gonna go wash her. But let's get to it. I lied. We need to get new tires for this car, like ASAP, like right now. So let's go do that first, and then a car wash. All right, bye. All right, guys, let's go get them tires now. It's a little late now, but let's go. They close at 8. We'll make it in time. We went to the tire shop. Let's get the new tires. Oh, it's pretty dark outside now, but I have to go to 2 different tire shops to get these tires. Sucks, but hey, I got them. It's good. We still gotta stay positive, guys. Yes, sir. It's my little sister, as you've seen her in other videos before. But we came to pick up my quarters because we're gonna go wash the car. Watch this, guys. Oh, look, my tacuache shoes. Alright, now that I changed, got my for towels, we can go wash the car now. Yo, guess what just happened? I forgot my keys in the car. I don't know if you can see them. They're right here. Yo, I forgot my keys in the car. Bro, someone could have finessed my car. But it's stick shift, so most people don't know. The millennial security guard for cars. Stick shift. And I know there's gonna be a lot of people roasting me for this, but I don't have a good paint job. It's kind of crappy, so yeah. Yeah, if you have a like fresh paint job or a good looking paint job, yeah, don't use this, because it's gonna mess it up. What's up, guys? Today's the next day, and I'm pretty sure you guys want to know the story of what happened to the Civic. He was on his way to work, and he was running late. On his way there's a person in front of him going a little too slow for him. And he was all the way in the left lane. So what he tried to do, try to pass that person up, but right next to that person, there was an 18-wheeler. And so he had to go around that car, and then around that 18-wheeler to go all the way around and pass them up. So as he did that, he sped around the 18-wheeler, and he didn't see a car at the corner of where the 18-wheeler was. Since he didn't see him, he was going pretty fast, and he slammed on the brake pretty hard. And as he slammed on the brake, the car jerked to the left and hit the 18-wheeler, and he got under the 18-wheeler, and that's just how the wreck happened. It sucks. The moral of the story is just be patient, man. No matter how late, no matter what's going on, to always be patient. Patience is key. Don't ever try to be in a hurry. No matter how important the situation is, it's not more important than your life. And to always love your loved ones, because you never know what might happen next. Well, that's the end of the story. And I hope you guys loved this video. Make sure to press that like button. Really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Smash that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Adios.